What's up, guys? I welcome you in today's video. So this is a little bit of a different video because I'm gonna be revealing, or I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my strategy or the method that I use on my day-to-day trading. No? So this is a method that I use when I'm executing my trades or when I'm making decisions. No? I have it even on a chart in my wall. No? Not that I forget it, but just to make sure that I always follow the rules and the instructions that are there. No? So it's not something complicated, and the rules are not a lot of rules. It's just five rules which I follow, and even the tools. It's not a bunch of tools. It's just a few. If I may say, it's four things that I look for when I'm trading. It's just four things. So I'm gonna be uh, talking about that. So without any waste of time, let's get into it. Okay, guys, this video is divided into three parts. No? So this is the first part, and on the second part of the video, I am describing the indicators that I'm using and their application in my decision-making process. No? And then in the third part, I bring everything together. Like I share with you the rules that I follow, and I share with you how to combine both what I'm talking about here and what I will be talking about in the second part. So make sure that you watch all the three parts in a sequence. So enjoy. So here on my chart, you can see that at the moment it's a clean chart, né? But let me just put this out of the way. I don't only use a clean chart, né? I do have some indicators. I'll also be sharing them with you here, né? So as we can see, this is a clean chart, né? So what I first look for as a trader, né? First, let me just tell you about the time frame. You can see I'm on the daily. These are the three time frames that I'm using. Ne? I use the daily, I use the 4 hour, and I also use the 1 hour time frame. Ne? But I don't usually spend much time on the 1 hour. Ne? So I usually take a lot of decisions on the 4 hour, influenced by what I've seen in the daily. Ne? So the daily is there to just give me a picture of the bigger players, or of the bigger move, né? What is currently happening. And usually when I'm looking on the daily, I don't look a lot of data, or I don't look to the past a lot, né? I usually zoom my chart to such an extent where I just see what is happening currently, né? I don't care about what is happening all the way before, né? Because when I'm looking at trends, I usually look at them on the 4 hour, meaning here on the daily, I'm just there to draw conclusions of where the price is in terms of levels, and where the price is likely to go, né? So that's what I look for. I look for where the price is and where is the price likely to go, so that in my trading I don't find myself going against this time frame, né? I hope that one is making sense. So that's for the daily, né? So when I go to the 4 hour, let me just go there. When I go to the 4 hour, that's where I'm gonna be looking a little bit of some more information, né? Something like this, to see the trend, to see the patterns, né? One may ask, where does the 1 hour come in, or where does the indicator come in? So I'm gonna be putting in the indicator. I'm going to explain everything. The 1 hour comes in where, when I as a trader, uh I'm not trusting what I see here, or I'm not certain of what I'm seeing here, né? Let me just erase this support level, né? Let's say I'm analyzing the market, né? I'm saying that, okay, there is some kind of a supporting trend line going all the way down, and there is also some kind of resisting trend line all the way up there, or somewhere here, né? So let me just put it there. Let me just put there as a horizontal level. So when I look at here and I'm trying to make conclusion of what is happening here, when I'm not clear of what is really happening here, is the price likely to go up, or is the price gonna continue with its downward momentum? That's why I go to the 1 hour, but I don't usually do the 1 hour that much. Why? Because I usually find conclusion or establish conclusions in the 4 hour, even with the help of the indicators. You should keep it in mind that when it comes to time frames, time frames can confuse you, so that's why you have to make sure that you limit the way you look at time frames. Look at time frames when you want to establish some kind of conclusions, but when what is happening is clear on your main time frame, then you have to go with it. So then let's go to the indicators. The indicators that I use is three indicators, but I'm gonna start with one indicator at a time.